The year 2021 is winding down right behind me here at the New York Stock Exchange, and wow, what a year it's been. The year 2021, believe it or not, is one for the record books because the U.S. averages are all up double digits this year alone. Sure, there was some moments of shakiness, but at the same time, the global economy was beginning to finally open up in the year 2021, and that could not be said in 2020. Businesses reopened their doors, offices had the return of employees, the streets began to fill up again, and tourism returned. And you could team that with global central banks maintaining supportive measures, strong corporate earnings here in the U.S., and the rollout of mass COVID vaccinations shifting public health protocols. Well, then you have yourself what you're seeing today. Optimism on Wall Street, optimism amongst the markets, optimistic investors with the S&P 500 up 27.1% for the year, posting a third straight positive year. The Dow and NASDAQ also heading towards a 3-year winning streak, gaining 18.8% and 21.9% for the year respectively. And now we have a full week ahead. We have a new year ahead. Will the good times continue to roll, or will we see a little bit of a hiccup heading into the year 2022? Let's now take a look to see what will likely move the markets in the week and the year ahead. Monday kicks off a bit on the quiet note here in the United States with December market manufacturing PMI. Currently that sits at 57.8. Tuesday sees us kick off all the action in Germany with that nation's November retail sales figures out, as well as December unemployment numbers. German retail sales expected to slide 0.5% month over month. The German unemployment rate expected to remain unchanged, 5.3%. While right here in the United States, we will see ISM manufacturing PMI for the month of December. Expectations call for a rate of 60.2. Wednesday sees all action here in the United States with December private payrolls figures, that of which is expected at 438,000. But we'll also see the release of the FOMC minutes in the afternoon hours. Then Thursday sees us return to Germany to start the session. Germany's harmonized consumer prices await. Expectations call for a rate of 5.6%. That will then be followed by data out of the United States, that of which includes weekly jobless claims figures, as well as U.S. factory orders and ISM services PMI. November factory orders out of the U.S. expected at 1.5%. December ISM services PMI calls for a rate of 67. And then on Friday, we have a busy close to the week. It sees us first begin in Switzerland with the Swiss unemployment rate due out. Expectations call for a rate of 2.5%. Meanwhile, in the European Union, we will have the release of the December preliminary consumer prices and retail sales figures. EU retail sales for November are expected to come in at a slide of 0.5% month over month and 5.6% year over year. While in the United States, it's all about those monthly employment figures. December non-farm payrolls expected to come in at a rate of 400,000, and the U.S. unemployment rate expected at 4.1%. And before signing off here at the New York Stock Exchange on this, the final trading session of the year 2021, I'd like to take this time to say thank you to all the viewers, and may you all have a very merry, prosperous, and indeed a happy new year. Reporting live from the New York Stock Exchange, I'm James Sweeney, reporting for ICF.